This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Cindy Metcalf. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, split floor plan with 10 feet ceilings, hand-scraped wood floors, in West Bend North. Open floor plan with large living area with stone wood-burning fireplace. Unique master suite with second living area with access to backyard and stone fireplace. Oversized shower and garden tub and master bath. Separate dining room is open to living room. Plantation shutters in dining and living room. Large kitchen with granite countertops, travertine black splash, breakfast bar and island. Double oven, stainless steel sink with water filter. Decorative lighting and ceiling fans throughout. Large backyard and covered patio for great entertaining. Walking distance to schools. Must see for more information.